Hello everybody, we are YOUNGSUN Group, perfect packaging solution for you here. This is Lena in a foreign trade department from YOUNGSUN company, and today we would like to show you a very popular battery-powered strapping tool Q31. Before showing you this tool, we would like to show you our workshop. Go with me please. The hard part of strapping tool, the motor, is assembled here. After the motor and handle be assembled, we will do a series of tests on the motor to ensure that it can run smoothly. Before proceeding to the next part of assembly, we need to check whether the welding surface of the strap is qualified. This process usually requires 30 to 50 passes test. At this stage, our tool has been basically assembled. Up to 500 passes of application test to make sure that all the functions can be completed properly. Each of our tools has a unique code which corresponds to the codes on its out carton. Through this code, we can quickly find its production batch, so as to provide more efficient after-sales service.